Good afternoon to all. Due to technical issue, we have not continued last class and the target was 51 to 100 in the weekly current affairs lecture number 7 part 2. But I think 51 to 70 we have completed and rest of the questions was not dealt by that time. So rest of the question we are dealing right now, right? So we have starting from question number 71, right? So we will continue rest of the questions of lecture 7. Question number 71 come on the question. What was India's rank in the recently released Global Ports Connectivity Index 2025? Position of India. The correct answer is 14. I think this question we have already discussed. Second question, question number 72. Indra 2025 military exercise between India and which country? Your option is Russia, France, America and Britain. Indra 2025 is military exercise between India and Russia, right? Military exercise, these are the military exercise. There are varieties, there are military exercise, there are air force exercise, there are naval exercise. So this is the Indra 2025 is military exercise between Russia and India. Which country launched the Global Drone Regulation Alliance in 2025? Tell the name of the country. Which country launched the Global Drone Regulation Alliance in 2025? Your option is India, UAE, UK and USA. The correct answer is UAE. Correct answer is UAE. With which country did India launch Desert Health Mission in 2025? The correct answer is Saudi Arabia. Desert Health Mission in 2025. The correct answer is Saudi Arabia. Which ministry launched the National AI Teaching Fellows? National AI Teaching Fellows scheme announced in 2025. I think you can guess this one. Fellow, National AI Teaching Fellows, right? Which will be the correct answer? You can guess here, Ministry of Education. Earlier Ministry of Education, the name was the Ministry of HRD, Human Resources Development Ministry. But the name has been changed in this government and the name of the Ministry of HRD has been converted as Ministry of Education, right? Where was the headquarters of ISCA, India Space Commerce Authority, established? India Space Commerce Authority, ISCA established. Where was the headquarters of ISCA? The question is very simple. The correct answer is Hyderabad. Correct answer is the Hyderabad. Which Indian institute designed the first atmospheric carbon sentinel satellite? The first atmospheric carbon sentinel satellite. The correct answer is IIT Bombay. Your option is Madras, Bengaluru, IIT, ISC. But the correct answer is IIT Bombay. Which state passed the Right to Public Transport Guarantee Act in 2025? This is also a very important question because Guarantee Act, right? Right to Public Transport Guarantee Act in 2025 has been passed by which state? Tell me the name of the state. Which state has passed this? Your option is Tamil Nadu, Jharkhand, Karnataka and Himachal Pradesh. The correct answer is Karnataka. Means Karnataka is the state which has been passed the Right to Public Transport Guarantee Act, right? Where did UNDP open the new office of its Asia Resilience Center in 2025? Where did UNDP open the new office of its Asia Resilience Center in 2025? Right? Your option is Delhi, Kathmandu, Singapore and Jakarta. The correct answer is Singapore. Which organization launched National Drone Pilot Digital ID in 2025? Which organization launched National Drone Pilot Digital ID in 2025? Obvious, the name is the Drone Pilot, so you can guess here. Option is DGCA, NITI Aayog, MEITY, NSDC. The correct answer is DGCA, extended as Directorate General of Civil Aviation, which are the monitoring agency of aviation. Okay, civil aviation. What is the main objective of India European Union Bio Nano Innovation Fund 2025? Right? The correct answer is cancer nanomedicine. Is the main objective of India EU Bio Nano Innovation Fund. The correct answer is cancer nanomedicine. Which country signed an agreement with India on crypto tax treaty, CTT? CTT in 2025. CTT has been signed between India and which country? India and Switzerland has been signed between CTT extended as Crypto Tax Treaty. Where did Ocean Thermal Energy Pilot Project 2025 start in India? Right? So the correct answer is Lakshadweep. What is the capital of Lakshadweep? Very important. The capital of Lakshadweep is Kavaratti. And coming to the next question, which ministry launched the National River Clean Credit Scheme, NRCCS, in 2025? Ministry of Jal Shakti. Ministry of Jal Shakti has been launched National River Clean Credit Scheme 2025. Which state set up India's first AI-enabled consumer court in 2025? Gujarat. Which state set up India's first AI-enabled consumer court in 2025? The correct answer is Gujarat. Next question. Where was the Astra-2 extended range missile? Astra-2 extended range missile successfully tested in 2025. Tell the name of the place where it has been tested. Right? Where it has been tested. Your option is Chandipur, Pokhran, Balasore and Sriharikota. Right? So correct answer is Chandipur. In Chandipur, Astra-2 has been tested. With which country did India establish its first dual-use technology corridor? Right? Dual-use technology corridor in 2025. The correct answer is Germany. Correct answer is Germany. Where is the headquarters of WRAF, World Renewable Arbitration Forum, established in 2025? New, so it may be asked in any coming exam. The correct answer is New Delhi. What is the focus of National Precision Fertilizer Mission, NPFM 2025? Drone-based soil mapping. Drone-based soil mapping. Question number 90. Which Indian bank launched Gen AI fraud defense suit in 2025? Gen AI fraud defense suit in 2025 will be launched by HDFC. HDFC is not a public sector bank. HDFC is a private bank. HDFC and ICICI both are private bank, and SBI and Axis both are the government bank. 91. Question number 91. With which country did India sign the Lunar ISRO in situ resource utilization partnership in 2025? Japan, France, USA, UAE. The correct answer is Japan. Correct answer is Japan. What was India's rank in the OECD Global Education Resilience Index released in 2025? 22. India's position is 22. In which index? Global Education Resilience Index. Right? Which state launched AI-based Panchayat Audit Portal in 2025? MP, Madhya Pradesh. Which state launched AI-based Panchayat Audit Portal in 2025? In Madhya Pradesh. DRDO released a new maritime surveillance variant of which UAV in 2025? Tapas. DRDO released a new maritime surveillance variant of which UAV in 2025? The name is the Tapas. Which country became the founding member of South Asian Desertification Response Alliance? Sadra. Which country became the founding members of the Sadra in 2025? Founding member. India is the founding member of the Sadra. South extended South Asian Desertification Response Alliance. Right? Sadra. Question number 96. Which state launched Digital Farmer Credit Score, DFCS, in 2025? Question number 96. The correct answer is UP. In which city was the India-Africa Innovation Bridge 2025 held? India-Africa Innovation Bridge in Delhi. Where? In Delhi. Which international organization implemented the Global Plastic Treaty Phase 2 in 2025? Tell the name of the organization where it has been implemented as Global Plastic Treaty Phase 2 in 2025. Your option is UNEP, OECD, WTO, G20 secretariat. Correct answer is United Nations Environmental Program, UNEP, right? Where was India's first high altitude quantum research telescope established in 2025? The option, the correct answer is Hanle. Hanle, where is Hanle? Ladakh. Which country signed Digital Indo-Pacific Supply Chain Corridor MOU with India in 2025? The correct answer is Australia. I think question number 100 we have already completed. So these were the rest of the questions of lecture 7 of weekly current affairs. Now in the next class we will discuss lecture number 8, right? Lecture number 8 of weekly current affairs. And this was from my side. Thank you so much for class. Thank you.